Hi, my name is Bill Cummings. I'm with LEED Brakes. Today we're here to talk about our Bandit Series electric vacuum pumps. Many times you end up with a hard brake pedal in your car and low engine vacuum because of a cam you might have installed in your vehicle. The Bandit Series electric vacuum pump is a perfect solution for that problem. It's a very quiet unit. It's a Rotary Vane style head, easy two-wire install, so your switch, relay, everything is set up for you. You're just going to run your switch power, your ground, run your vacuum hose, and mount your pump. Super simple installation. The Rotary Vane style pump is quiet because of its design. There's been a pump out for many years. It's a Piston Style pump. It's very noisy, it vibrates a lot, and it's very inefficient, only up to about 22 inches of vacuum. The Bandit Series pump will build up to about 25 inches of vacuum and give you constant pressure that you need to activate your disc or drum brake power system. Bandit Series vacuum pump is available in 3 different styles. You have the Black Bandit, the Chrome Bandit, and the Naked Bandit. The Black Bandit and the Chrome Bandit is an ABS plastic housing that really just there to make the pump look good in your engine compartment, keep it nice and clean. If you purchase the Chrome Bandit or the Black Bandit and it's too large to fit in the area you'd like to put it in, you can simply take the lid off the ABS plastic housing and the Naked Bandit will come out all as one piece, all ready to go on its own bracket, pre-wired, ready to be installed. Dealers, for more information and to order, please visit PriceGuidePro.com.